Hello mates, in this video we'll see what is VirtualBox and how to install it. Okay, what is VirtualBox and of course why do we need to know about that? Well, in the upcoming videos we'll see how to install a Linux operating system on your computer. And there are two ways you can install it. One, you could remove the existing operating system that you have on your computer, or you could install VirtualBox on top of your existing Windows OS, and then you can install Linux. This way we will not lose our data. So basically, a VirtualBox is a free and open source hypervisor for computers. Currently it is being developed by the Oracle Corporation. It installs on your existing Intel or AMD based computers. It extends the capabilities of our existing computers so that we can run multiple operating systems on the same hardware simultaneously or at the same time. And now we'll see how to install Oracle VirtualBox in our computer. To do this, we'll just open a new tab in our browser, type VirtualBox, and then hit enter. Here we'll just click on downloads. Then in the VirtualBox page we'll click on Windows host. Our program has started downloading. We'll wait for a few minutes, and once the download has done, we'll start the installation process. Okay, the download has done. We'll just right click and click run as administrator. At this time we'll get a prompt in our computer asking us to allow the installation. We'll simply click yes, and then we'll click on next, then yes, and then install. Now the installation has started. Within a few minutes our installation will get completed. Okay, it's done, and we have successfully installed Oracle VirtualBox in our computer. So we have the hardware layer at the bottom, and then on top of it we install our operating system, which is commonly Windows or Mac. Okay, and then on top of it we have installed Oracle VirtualBox, which is our hypervisor, which is capable of running multiple virtual machines at the same time. In simple words, it can run multiple operating systems. So once it is installed, we can install a Linux operating system or another Windows operating system on top of VirtualBox, or any other operating system like Mac.